Hi everybody! For this month's character DIY, we are going to be making the very simple teeth necklace worn by Katya Vodyanova from the Something Dark and Holy trilogy by Emily A. Duncan. This is what you'll need. You're going to need a long chain, or if you don't have a chain you can use for the necklace, you can use a leather cord or even some string. I got some fake teeth online, but if you can't get the fake teeth, you can just get like some pebbles that you can paint white. And of course, a glue gun with a glue stick. I am just going to fan out my chain, and I made sure that it's closed. And this is how long I want the chain to be. It's a little longer than the usual necklace chain, but I'd like to be able to put it over my head instead of having to clasp and unclasp it. So I'm just going to spread it out on the table like so. All right, and I made sure that there is this midpoint where I know where to start putting the teeth around. So I'm going to choose my biggest tooth and I'm going to put it in the middle, and that is our starting point. I'm going to start putting the rest of the teeth and align them according to which spots on the chain I want to glue them on. I'm going to alternate the sizes just so it's visually more interesting. So I have the biggest tooth in the middle, so I am going to find some smaller teeth that can be put next to it, and I'm going to use the chain lengths to measure how far apart I want the teeth. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to use about 1-2 big links away from the first one. So 1, 2 here, and then I'm going to find one that looks just like this to go on the other side. And I'm just going to put it across from the second one so they line up. I'm going to do this with the rest of the teeth. Now that we've placed the teeth along the chain, we can start gluing them down using the glue gun. I choose to just put the glue on the chain to make it easier for me to just plop on the tooth. So just take a minute to let it dry. And once it's dry, you can start cutting off the little strings of glue. You definitely don't need that. Just clean it up. there. And now once it's all cleaned up and secure, you have your teeth necklace. So it looks like this. I left the rest of the chain pretty free because it's not going to be seen under my collar anyway. And now for the final look. Thank you so much for joining me for today's character DIY. I hope you try it at home. We'd love to see pictures. If you try it, send it to our email or post it on your social media and tag us. And thank you so much. Have a great day. And we'll see you in the next character DIY in April. Bye.